What's up, dancers? This video is an excerpt from a brand new locking choreography class I have on my website. If you enjoy this choreography and you'd like to learn the entire piece, go and check out joeythejam.com/classes for this class and all the classes I have available. Let's do it.
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
What's up? Welcome to Beginner Locking Grooves. Thank you so much for purchasing this class. In this class, what we're going to focus on is using the groove within locking and learning how to flow between the types of grooves that we use. We're going to be learning a piece of choreography to just help us learn that flow and really get comfortable with grooving in this dance. With me today, I have my assistant Zeke, Le Freak, and Ladio. Before we jump into this choreography, if you haven't checked it out already, I have a brand new video on my YouTube channel. In that video, I break down the mechanics and the technique behind all of the grooves we're going to use in this class. So in this class, I'm not going to spend too much time on technique since I have that video for you, but what we're going to focus on is just applying all of those grooves and piecing them all together. All right, so let's get into this choreography. So the song we're going to be dancing to today is a classic funk song, Rock Steady by Aretha Franklin. And I wanted to choreograph to this song because we're going to be using the Rock Steady in this piece, but it's a nice tempo and it's just so classic that you really get to feel that funk. So let's jump into it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start with our head, okay? So all we're going to do is just groove with our head. And when we groove with our head, remember, we're always going to be rocking back. So all of these grooves that we're going to be using are always going to be rocking back and up, okay? So with our head, all we're going to do is go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 1 8 count, very simple. You're just taking your head back like this. Boom, boom. Okay, so 1 8 count, you're going to rock head back. Okay, after that, we're going to go side to side. So from here, we're going to go to the left, head 1 and 2, 3, 4. Then we go double time, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so from the top, nice and slow, starting with the head. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the side. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like that. Okay, so after we groove with the head, now we're going to take it into the body. So all of these grooves are going to slowly progress one another. Okay, so we're starting with the head, but now that we go into the body, we're still going to keep that head going. So with our body, we're going to groove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1 8 count, basic locking groove. Again, we're rocking back and we're bouncing up at the same time. Okay, so go from the head all the way through to that. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the side. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Swing 5, 6, 7. Body. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay. Now from here, now we're gonna start adding levels into the grooves, right? So this is just our basic groove. Now it's gonna go up and down, okay? So the groove goes 1 and 2, okay? So I'm gonna drop my level here when I come down. At the same time, I'm gonna pull back, so I'm still gonna have that back rock, and my knees are gonna open up and back up, okay? So that groove looks like 1, 2, yeah? Just like that. So we're gonna do that one for an 8 count as well, okay? So let's go from just the basic groove, 1 8 count, and then into adding the levels, another 8 count, okay? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add the level, go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice, okay. So, let's go all the way back just from the top. Take it nice and slow. Head to the body to the levels, okay? 5, 6, 7, hit. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the side. 2, 3, 4, swing, 5, 6, 7, body, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, add the levels, up and down, up, down, up, down, up and down. Nice, good job. Okay, so after we add the levels on this, okay, now we're gonna go side to side with the body. So still focusing on that basic groove, right? We're gonna go to the left this way, okay? And we're gonna do that for 2 counts. So 1, 2, other side, 3, 4, then we go 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? One more time like that, we go 5, 6, 7, to the left, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, good, okay? Now we're gonna add a level to the side groove, okay? So the same thing that we did with this one, okay? We're gonna do it on this side first. So from here, we're gonna swing up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, okay? So 1-8 count, side to side, okay? Nice and slow from the side. We go 5, 6, 7, slow. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, go 5, 6, 7, add the levels. Go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Okay, so let's take it all the way back to the top, nice and slow, all the way through to where we're at, okay? So with the head, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, side to side. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, swing 5, 6, 7, add the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up and down. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, side to side. Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, swing 5, 6, 7, up and down. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice, good job. Okay, so that's another 2 8 counts right there. So now we're gonna try it with the music. Again, if you need to take some time and relearn anything, go ahead and go back and then meet us back here to try it with the music, okay? Here we go.
Let's go!